It's all gone.
Who even gives a crap anymore? I
Uh,
am
I'm
gonna
I'm
just
ge-
sell everything.
I'm selling everything.
Yeah,
I'm gonna sell my house while I'm at it too,
yeah,
because
me
real
too.
estate market's done too. I have a gold nugget. I'm gonna get rid of that. I don't think
Yeah,
gold's good anymore. The US dollar, it's all gone. It's
yeah,
just the end is near.
yeah.
I think I'm just gonna go out in the middle of the woods in a shack.
I'm glad that we're on the same page. This is
Yeah.
about how I've been feeling, so
I
it's over
can't
with.
believe it. Bitcoin's
Yeah,
below 40,000. It's going to
yeah.
zero.
It's going to zero. Uh,
Banks ruined everything.
they
The
always
government,
do.
the government, they shouldn't have approved the ETFs.
Yeah,
It's ruining crypto.
right. Because now
You
everybody
know,
wants in on it. Yeah,
right now all the big money wants it, so it's just going to go down to zero. It's
yep.
worth nothing. I might as well just pack it up.
Well,
Yeah. I
that's
got
the end
some
of
Bitcoin. I
that.
got some Bitcoin and Ethereum. I'll sell you real cheap.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right.
Hey.
Ah, my word.
Yeah.
Well, hey everybody, how's it going?
Good evening.
Hope you guys are having a great time. Oh crap, we're live. They heard everything we just talked
Oh
about.
my God, it's a gloomy Monday.
Oh, it's over with. Yeah. Yeah.
Look, I even shaved. I'm like, the sky's falling. I don't know what to do.
You're
You
getting ready
know,
for the apocalypse because you know you're going to grow that thing out 4 feet long.
right? And it's gonna be
Yeah.
all white, so
Yeah.
I'll
That's
be ready for
exactly right.
Christmas.
Well, so, okay, obviously we're joking around, but the reality is this. This is what happens in the world of cryptocurrency. You are going to have,
These volatile moments.
yeah, Sunday. Sometimes they say Sundays pumps and Mondays dumps, or sometimes
Or
it's just Sundays dumps and continues to dump on Monday.
right.
I guess.
And it's probably gonna continue to dump on Tuesday,
Yeah.
folks.
Yep.
But
But you know
what do
what?
we
This is,
always
but
say?
what do we always say, Brian? I want to know.
Buy in the red, sell in the
Selling the
green.
green. That's
So this is
right.
a
Oh,
very
and buy the rumor and sell the
the news.
news.
So
And what news came out?
ETFs, Bitcoin
ETFs
ETFs.
came out.
And
And
it
so
spiked up, and then selling the
everybody's
news.
selling it. Dude, check this
So,
out. Just really quick.
all right,
Hold on a second. What is
I'm
going on
holding.
here? What's going on here right now? I'm
Bitcoin's
trying.
down like 20% since it hit that new year high of almost 50,000.
Check this out, folks. Check this out. The Bitcoin ETFs aren't giving crypto a big boost yet. Here's what's new. Well, let's read some more about it because,
Oh, what do you got going on here?
yeah, this is a bunch of stuff is going on here. Holy smokes, what's happening? All right, so the Bitcoin ETFs aren't giving crypto a big enough news. Do I have to pay for this? Is that why I'm unable to see this?
Probably. They're
That
like
sucks.
yeah, they're
They're
not.
stupid like that. Never mind.
Yeah.
Anyways, let me come back to that news. Brian, check out the charts for a second. I have to go check on my daughter right now because she is
All
out of
right.
bed again, and I want to go over this news, but I seriously want to make it one little point to everybody
All
is
right.
that it truly is what happens when you buy the rumor and sell the news. That's what's happening right now.
Oh,
So,
definitely. So I'm actually gonna I had a couple articles too I was gonna go over.
oh,
I
do
can
you?
wait for
Okay,
you.
perfect. Yeah, because you pay for your
Unless you want to
articles
see those
apparently, and I
articles,
don't.
or do you want to see the chart?
I want to see the articles. I think
All
that's
right.
worth, yeah.
All right. I'll go over the charts real
Actually,
quick
no, no,
here,
no. Go,
but
yeah. Wait, can you go over the chart first because I really got to go check on her,
all right, I'll go over the chart
and then
first.
we'll talk about the articles because I'm
All right.
actually really curious about that.
All right. We're getting this figured out, folks. Here we go. Let me share my screen. We'll go right into these charts. All right. So here is, of course, we're going to look at the Bitcoin chart. And I was just playing around with the charts and looking at what's happened in the past. So, because we've had a really bad couple of days, because if we look here, this is back on the 8th. I'm looking at actually a down couple of weeks, really. So this is the 8th, where it hit roughly 49,000. Right. And we fast forward a couple of weeks later, And here we are, roughly 14 days later, and we're down 21% in 14 days, folks. What is going on with Bitcoin? Holy cow. But we got to look at some history here. So if we go back and look at some history, and this is, as we can see, 2020, but I'm going to go back to like, we're going to do some logarithmic stuff here because you can see it better. But uh, what actually went on here? All right, my chart is not playing nice right now. Here we go. So, so we're going to look at it from a different view, a different perspective. So what we got going on here, I'm just trying to get 2017 in view here. So here we go. This is 2017, roughly. Actually, we'll go here. I think it was 2016, the halving was in August, I think. So anyway, you can see here in 2016, Bitcoin then from this point went down to about here, and that was in like 2 month period. It had a 40% drop. So
What I
now
miss? What I miss?
on nothing. I'm just going talking about how we have like in the last 2 weeks, Bitcoin has dropped like 22%.
Yeah,
But
that would
now we're
make sense.
back here on in like August of 2016. You
Mm.
can see there was in this 60-day period, there was roughly, a 41% drop. If you count I'm going where the wicks are too, right? But now you can see after the halving, we're going hard into the bull run now in 2017, right? You can see here, even here. I mean, in 2017, this was March of 2017, and you can still see even then, there's a 32% drop in 3 weeks,
Yeah.
right?
Yep.
Holy cow. And
Oh
then we
yeah.
keep going. Look at June of 2017, and we know we're in the bull market then. Here we are again. Whoops.
It's just a classic correction. A
That's
classic
all it
correction.
that's all it is. And here we are again. This was over 35 days. We had almost a 36% drop, right?
Yep.
And then the last one, yeah, that was August. So you can see we're having drops. And then we're gonna fast forward. We're gonna get through 2018, 2019. Here we are at 2020. And now we're gonna look at it. See, I'm doing the chart, I think, in um, a linear way. Just it's easier to see this. But here we are in the 2020 halving. I mean, we can see here this was that was the COVID dip. So let's just look at how big that was. Roughly there. And we went down to roughly here. That was the COVID dip. In a matter of 35 days, it went down 62%.
Oh my gosh.
I mean, people were definitely thinking the sky was falling then,
Well, yeah,
right?
yeah.
But now here we are. Let's keep going. So now May. Here's May. Excuse me. Let me. So now we're into this one's August of 2020, right? After the halving, there's another 20% drop in like 35 days, right? And then we can see here, this was April of 2021, wasn't the peak of the bull market yet. It was close. It like formed a double top. That was kind of weird. But you can see right here, it dropped. And we'll just go to that one wick right here. That dropped 52% in 42 days. And then look at we rebounded. So it's nothing out of the usual for Bitcoin doing what it's doing or the market in general. But, we've had this little 20% drop. Can it go lower? definitely. I mean, I really think, full disclosure, I'm not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice, my opinions and views, and just what I think. I think we're going to be going ahead and testing on this is the weekly candle wicks. We're going to be testing the 20-day moving average with the weekly candle wicks. Um, I'm guessing we're going to hit, high. I think we're going to break 38,000. We could go down as low as 37,000, but I think it's going to be between 37,500 and 38,000. So I have a buy order in for 37,947
Yeah.
to be exact. I think it's the way the market is trending down right now and everything. I think that's going to fill.
Oh yeah. I think we're definitely
So
gonna actually we're definitely going to fill this week, probably fill this week, but I think we're gonna rebound this week for sure. Like no question about it.
right.
It's
So
just
now definitely, this is definitely going to rebound. This is just a massive, great buying opportunity, right? That's all this is, really.
yeah,
And I tell you,
exactly.
the smart money and the big money, they're buying this up right now. So you can see here, this is the total too. So this is the altcoin market to include Ethereum, right? And we'll see. So we know Bitcoin was down like 22% from the 8th to today. I'm trying to get that lined up. There we go. So the altcoin market is only down like 13, 14%, whereas Bitcoin's down 22%, right? But the altcoin market, again, also that could come down and test this, you know, 20-day moving average, and go below $700 billion. That's a possibility too. One other chart I want to look at, and
Which
then
would
we
be
can get
insane because it's 1.5 right now, isn't it?
uh no, that's the total market cap. Total market cap's like 1.6 or 1.5. This is just the altcoin market minus
Oh,
Bitcoin.
got you. Okay, yep, yep.
Right. So now I'm just curious because I have a feeling the altcoin market's going to be a little stronger. So I'm going to look at Bitcoin versus Ethereum. And you can see Bitcoin is not doing well versus Ethereum right now. Right. So it peaked to where one Bitcoin was worth, you know, almost 21 Ethereum. You can see now one Bitcoin is only worth like 17 Ethereum. So definitely Bitcoin has slipped compared to the altcoin market. And as we saw that, Bitcoin's down like 22%, where the altcoin market in general is down, excuse me, 12 to 14%. So,
Right, right.
and you might still see some altcoins that might have positive, positive gain. If we'll just check, CoinGecko real quick, and just get a refreshing. You can see, even in this downturn, the sky is falling. If you look at the 24-hour, I mean, there's still coins that are in positive growth. Whoops. Right? Kava. Remember Saya coin? Wow, that's still around. That's up 27%. Holy cow.
I can't believe that's actually in the top 100 right now. That's crazy.
I used to have some of that back in 2017. SWE, DYDX. I mean, there's coins that are still in the green, right? They're still up. If we look at the 7-day, I mean, there's still a handful that are. This is just a top 100 coins we're looking at here. I could change. I did that once before, where you can go down here and you can change this to show 300. So I could look at the top 300. And did it take? Maybe not. There we go. So here's the top 300. And if we go here, look at this one. UMA. It's up 191% in the last
Dude, that
7
is
days.
so crazy.
What?
What?
I don't even know what that coin is.
Now wait,
We have
what's
to take
Dora Factory?
Dora Factory. That's
Yeah,
like
what
a
the heck is
meme
that?
coin. I don't know, you want, but very, so to me, this one is like inflated, right? I think this one is manipulated
Is
because
it?
if you
Okay.
look at this market cap of 146 million, but there's only $597,000 in trading volume.
Well, dude, check out UMA for a sec because I'm actually really curious about that one. Like, why the
All
heck is
right,
that thing
what
almost up
is UMA?
200% right now? It's
Yeah, let's
insane.
let's see what UMA is. Right, and that's in 7 days. Imagine that, a 2x in 7 days. So it's $5. What is UMA? Let's see, market cap 443, fully diluted is 684. Total supply 117 million coins. Um, let's see. All-time high is $41. All-time low is 30 cents. Wow, that's a nice gain. So even from its all-time low till now, it's 1,800% gain. But what is it? Let's see what UMA is. See if I can let's go to UMA.xyz. We'll see what that is. That's usually how I start when I start looking at a decentralized truth machine. Here we go. This is the truth. We're going to tell you,
Oh
is
boy, here
Bitcoin
we
going to
go.
be here or not in 10 years? How it works. We got to click on that. The optimistic oracle verifies data in stages. Huh. A statement is proposed as true. Most statements go undisputed. Anyone can dispute a statement.
What is this?
Token
Some kind of
holders
like polygraph for like
stake, vote, and earn up to 30.1% APR.
what?
What the hell is this?
I don't know, but I like 30%.
Right? All
That's
right.
pretty good.
So
So you're telling me for every $100 that I stake, I'm getting $30?
I guess so.
For every $1,000, I'm getting 300 bucks?
300.
There's no freaking way, dude.
Oh,
I guess that's
stake,
the rewards
vote,
for the early
earn.
people.
I guess so. But this isn't that early of a project. It's all time. I wonder. So what's this? This is like their code thing. Governance.
Hey, if
Huh.
anybody knows anything about this project, put it in the comments because we're really curious. It's
Supported by
really
the Risk
interesting.
Lab Foundation.
Huh.
Huh. For voters, for builders. Oh, snap. Oh, I got to see what oh, snap is. Off-chain governance, on-chain execution. 263 million total value secured.
Oh, interesting.
Um, Try oh, snap.
So the 263 million is
Oh,
probably what's being staked right now.
probably something
Yep.
along those lines. Yeah. Total locked value. So I don't know. This is who knows?
It's a lot. What place is this on the market cap right now?
130.
130. Interesting.
Well,
Huh.
I guess before that we could figure it out,
Wait,
but it what
wait. Time to comment vote. A vote for what?
where's that? Where are you seeing that?
Up in the top.
Time to commit a vote. No. Let's see. Let me get back to here. Sorry. For voters. All right. What's this?
Yeah, I want to know what this is all about.
Stake, vote, and earn. Token holders who vote correctly and consistently earn higher APRs. And successful voters who gradually own a higher percentage of the protocol than unsuccessful or inactive voters. Definitely don't want to be an inactive voter then, huh?
I get so weirded out when I see projects that are giving out that much percentage.
Yeah.
It's just
All right. I'm going to have to do some more
it just seems too good to be
research on
true.
this.
It really does.
I wonder,
Huh.
you know, Why is the crypto? You can see what I was searching. Why is the crypto market down?
Yeah, dude, we should
They're saying a
definitely.
strengthening U.S. dollar exerting selling pressure on Bitcoin. I don't think so. But anyway, that's what they say. So I'm going to just go here.
What is a UMA crypto?
What is UMA crypto? Let's see. It directs you to the site. Let's see what this says. It was founded in 2018,
Hmm.
but
Right, conveniently
Universal Market Access
around the time.
protocol that allows users to create their own synthetic assets, digital tokens that represent and track the price of any real life asset. These tokenized assets are known as priceless financial contracts on the platform. So it's kind of like creating synthetics. It's kind of like tokenizing real world assets, maybe a little bit, but synthetic assets. Let's see what their price prediction says on this. Let's see. So it's saying long term, this thing is going to hit, 2030, it's going to get up to $56. So that'd be a 10x from where it's at right now.
Yeah, no, that's like oh, that's it's pretty good.
Yeah, oh yeah. A
But
10x
they're
is
saying a 10x by 2032 is what they're saying.
10x by
I'm sorry,
2030,
2031.
2030.
Oh, 2030. Okay.
Right here is the highest number. I just go by the highest number. So anyway, well, you see how easy it is just to go down that rabbit hole, folks?
Yeah, that was really
And then here's
fascinating.
another article I saw. Bitcoin falls to $40,000, lowest level since Bitcoin ETF launch. And then was it in here? Um, there was something about like the Bitcoin Trust or one of these other ones that had a futures thing, and they're kind of unloading it because they're changing it into a spot ETF, and somehow that was affecting. Here we go. Trent says Bitcoin was also pressured by the outflows from Grayscale Investments Bitcoin Trust, which was converted into an ETF when the SEC approved the other Bitcoin ETF products earlier this month. CoinDesk
Wow.
reported on Monday that FTX, which entered bankruptcy in 2022, has sold 22 million shares worth close to 1 billion in ETFs. So that's probably, I mean, this is again, in a sense, selling the news. But this one is so there's a lot of things going on, which is just a short-term effect on Bitcoin.
Right.
Um, it's this is just like I said, this is a great buying opportunity,
Yeah, but this
really.
happens every single time. I mean, you hear all these
Something will
rumors.
always happen.
Yeah, something will always happen, but there's the rumors will always pump the price, and then everybody's like freaking out because they're like, "Why is the price not pumping?" And we just did something huge. It's like whenever there's anticipation of a coin, we're not this actually doesn't happen anymore as much. But do you remember back in the day? It was back in like 2018, 2017 time when coins were being launched on Coinbase. And there were rumors about these coins that were being launched on Coinbase, and the prices would just explode.
Oh,
And then
yes.
finally, when the coins finally made it on Coinbase, the prices would just tank.
It would bump up for like a day,
It would
and
bump
then
up maybe for like even a few hours, but it would
right,
just
and then
tank.
everybody that had bought it on the
Yeah.
rumor is now selling
Everybody's like, what in the world
on
is going on? And it's just like,
the
well,
the
remember when
sky
it went
is
up like
falling.
remember when it did a 10x like 6 weeks prior to the actual launch on the exchange? Yeah, that was your opportunity to sell, was like before it went on the exchange.
Right.
So it's the same damn thing with what's happening right now, whether it be ETFs, whether it be the halving, whether it be you know it could be anything.
Yeah,
People
I
are.
mean, look what COVID did in the government shutdown, world shutdown.
Oh yeah.
Look what that did. That was that dropped the crypto market by like 60%, 50%.
Yeah. And that was actually the first time, believe it or not, that was actually the first time in a long time, I think, that the Bitcoin halving actually had a super negative effect
I think
because
the
of
halving
COVID.
was after that.
No, the halving was,
The last halving was in May of 2020, right?
yeah, that's COVID.
COVID was February. It really hit. Yeah,
Yeah, but that's my point. Like because of COVID,
blame it on the vid, you
dude,
know?
I blame it. I
Man,
blame it. I blame it completely on the COVID. I do. People were freaking out, and that thing tanked. And not only did that, but also the stock market tanked pretty significantly during that time too.
right?
Very,
But
very significantly.
all right, so I'm gonna look at this again, just because COVID was right here. Right. We're gonna just actually we're gonna do the total market, total Bitcoin, total crypto market.
Yeah, there we go.
Right. Here's the total market, which is 1.52 trillion right now. So I can't wait till the Super Bowl bounces back up, man. I'm telling you.
Yeah, no kidding. Oh my word.
So here was COVID, roughly about there. Yeah, somewhere in there. So that was like a 64, 65%, and I can't see the days because of my marker. In 42 days. Like 35, roughly like 5 weeks. This thing went down 65% in 5 weeks because
Yeah,
of
it was
COVID.
insane. Insane.
What was this one back here? What happened in October?
But am I wrong in
No,
saying that it wasn't the halving was right there, wasn't it?
the halving was here in May. This was the halving, right? So,
That was in May. Okay. So that
yeah.
wasn't
So this was the COVID was before the halving, right? So right in here was COVID, right?
right. Okay, but here's what I'm trying to get
Right.
at is
And then we
like
built up to,
traditionally,
but here's
tr
the halving right here. That's what I'm getting to. So
yeah,
here's the halving, right? So this was probably roughly the halving. And then after the halving, it went down right here. And like in the 4 weeks after the halving, it still went down 16, 17%.
right.
So, but then, then after that, we had that nice bump up here, which
I mean,
was,
how could you not? You were so
that was
oversold.
another, 60%. Yeah. So anyway, yeah. So COVID was an event. You never know what the event's going to happen and what's going to cause it. But, this was like they had talked about shutting the government down, but they didn't do it until here. And then everything crashed. That just tanked the world economy. But this was definitely your typical buy the rumor, sell the news, right? And the rumor for the ETFs, I think they started talking about them in June of 2023. So that rumor here, up to the launch, which was roughly right here, that was an 86% gain,
Yeah, that's crazy.
right? And that's like in 180 days, 224 days. But if we look at before, that was on the 8th, right?
Yeah,
And the ETF launched on the 10th, right? I think it was. It was a
I don't
Wednesday.
remember.
Yeah, it was the 10th.
I think it was
So
actually.
so that's
Yeah,
the 8th. So right, so that from the time they were talking about it to when it launched, right before it launched, that was an 87% increase on that rumor. And now everybody's selling the news and we've dropped 20%. Big deal. It's not going to go
yeah.
all the way back down. I mean, we got some strong support here now, at like, well, this is the total market cap. So like at 1.4 trillion, there's some strong support there. We got very strong support back down at 1.5. I mean, 1.27 trillion roughly. I really think we might see this go down to like 1.4. Um,
Really?
it's possible, the total market cap.
Yeah,
So
I
that's
know.
everything.
Yeah.
But, I think more likely 1.45, 1 point somewhere in there. But who knows? This could go down to 1.4 trillion. So anyway, exciting times.
Dude, seriously, really
This is
exciting.
exciting buying times.
So, okay, so in your portfolio, let's pull up our own personal portfolios for a second. I'll look at mine, you look at yours, and you tell me which one you think is based on what is oversold right now, what you would be the best thing to buy.
Um,
Because for me right now, to answer this question, I would say that WCFG is probably the best thing to buy out of everything that I'm holding.
yeah, that's down almost 10%. TIA's down 9%.
TIA is a pretty good opportunity.
The one I've been watching closely is IMX, Immutable X. I've been keeping an eye on. It's down to
Have you?
1.78. If that thing
Yep.
gets down below $1.50, I might be buying some more. I also been looking at Ethereum, see what happens there. Like I said, I have that 30, just under $38,000 Bitcoin order listed right now because I wanted to pick up a little more Bitcoin below 40,000 would be nice. Uh,
Dude, if TIA goes back to its all-time high,
of what, 20 something dollars?
yeah, that would be sick. I
Oh,
mean,
it
that's like,
will. It
no,
will.
I know. I'm just saying as far as like gains go, like more short-term gains.
Oh, yes,
I
definitely.
could I could see that one being huge.
Yeah, Marinade's another one. That's maybe a good buying opportunity. But Fetch AI is another one. It's down to 55 cents.
Yeah.
Well, one of the coins I did the video on, the top, my top five for under $100 million market cap. Alchemix, that's a good one right now. That's down almost 8%. Yeah, so anyway, but yeah, the one that's down the most in my portfolio is WCFG. My son just bought some more, like at 57 cents or 56 cents, something like that. He just bought a little more WCFG. So
Yeah.
anyway,
See, do you know what's like really blowing my mind right now that's still happening and is
uh
actually up on the day right now?
Harmony won, your favorite.
No,
All
I'm showing you right now.
right. I gotta go full screen so I can.
FTX
Oh
token.
my God, you gotta be kidding me.
Yeah. It's up almost 9% today on the daily. It's sitting at literally in the top 100 for trading volume, 24-hour trading volume.
What is
And then
going
it's
on?
it still is number 69, so it's in the top 100 still, which is
Well,
cool.
because they never really sold anything yet, right? So
But aren't they going bankrupt? Or
all
am
their
I
holdings, they had like stuff they were holding on to. Like they had Solana, they had other coins and whatnot, but everything got locked down when all that stuff happened. So now they're starting to liquidate stuff as things come unlocked. Hey, do me a favor, look up since you got that open, look up Lunar Classic, LUNC. Just curious. I just read something too, Terra
top?
Forms
Hey,
or
it's
whatever.
it's 100 right now on the
Oh,
market cap.
yeah, it's down. Hey, look at that. Might be one to get into.
Hey, that's a good one to get
Just
into right now.
kidding, just kidding. Oh my gosh. They just filed for bankruptcy protection in the US.
Did they really?
Yeah,
Oh
I
my
just
word.
saw a news clip on that.
I just want to
So,
remind anybody and everybody that we mentioned it earlier, but neither one of us are financial advisors.
no,
So please do
no.
not take any of our words
We're
for it.
doing
This
this
is for
because,
sole entertainment purposes only.
yeah, we just like to talk about this stuff amongst ourselves. And, we learn stuff here and there, and we like to share that.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, so
But
you're back.
anyways,
You're
check
back
out
on
this
this.
this comment here. Can you see it?
Let me see.
I'll have to read it to
Yeah.
you. Hold on. I gotta zoom out.
Zoom, zoom, zoom.
Dude, what's going on with my computer? This thing is all freaked up.
One of you,
Anyways,
one of your daughters is messing with it.
yeah, dude. I love my girls, but they seriously mess with all my stuff.
Oh yeah, it's
Okay,
just
so my altcoin I'm going in is wait, hold on. My altcoin I'm going in is mainly, and I can't read it because the stupid thing's in the way.
suspense, folks.
Oh,
What does it say?
Shiba. Shiba.
Shiba
I think
Inu.
it's Shiba. Is that what you mean, Adam? You're talking about Shiba there?
Shiba.
It will be the next. Oh, it will be the next Shiba, he said. So what is it? What is
It will be the next Shiba. Let me see.
my stupid heart thing is in the way.
Is
It's, I don't know why I can't see this. Oh, okay. It's Maldi? Milady. Check that out.
ML. You checking it out?
Milady.
Because I just threw in what is going to be the next Shiba Inu coin, and I came up. It comes up with Bonk, which is up 10,000% this year. Missed the boat on that one.
Hey, Adam, what's a tick for this thing?
What's it called? Spell it.
Milady space I. Unless I'm not reading you right, dude. Yeah, he
All
wrote
right.
it again. Yeah, that's what it is.
MIL. My lady. My lady.
Milady.
My lady
I've never heard of this before.
has no association with Shannon Shank or her creation. Lady maker. Yeah, it's just a meme coin.
Oh, it's a meme coin. Okay, so that's why you're saying it would be like the next Shiba. That makes sense. Okay.
Oh, it's Laddies. Ladys.
There we go. Okay. I'm
I just
picking it up
found
now.
it.
Yep. Interesting. So, huh. Well, let's take a look at that.
All right. You gonna pull it up our market cap?
Yeah.
Let's see if there's a chart for it. Yeah, there's only like one spot that you could use. Let me see.
It's number 574.
Here's some data on KuCoin.
Here, let's check this out.
How's your stuff looking? You sharing your screen?
Yeah.
All right,
So,
all right. So it's got a few
excuse
zeros.
me. All right. So we have it's down 700. I'm sorry, it's down 7% right now.
Oh, it's only a $38 million market cap right now.
Yep.
Oh,
It's very, very seriously risky thing to be investing in, that's for sure.
what's the
Lost you there for a second.
circulating supply? 734 trillion. Max supply 888 trillion.
Hold on, let's check
Hey,
out this website. I want to check out
eight,
this website.
eight's my favorite number. So, my
Look at
lady.
that. My lady. So these are all the different exchanges that it's on right now, I guess.
Yeah,
Interesting. You got Bybit, Gate. I mean, it's not a whole lot here.
right.
Okay, so welcome to Ladies, the meme coin. Dude, is this a joke? Like, are you joking right now? Or is this like legit? That's what I want to know. Hold on, what is he saying?
Hey, it's got a $38 million market cap.
Yeah.
There's enough people out there that think it's legit,
Yeah, I guess so. I mean,
right?
this just blows my mind how much money goes into this stuff. It's just crazy to me. Airdrop claims period ended. A total of holy crap.
Hold on. 8,880,000,000,000, 8,880,000, $8.88.
1% total supply. Ladies tokens are now available to be claimed by the holders of Milady, NFT, and
Pepe coin
Or Pepe token. That's right. Yeah. Ladies token that have been claimed within 7 days will be burned. Oh, wow.
have not been
Okay. So
claimed.
that right there is another reason to want to invest in that is because of the burning philosophy. But so you have how to buy tokens.
Tokenomics. Go click on tokenomics real quick.
Hold on. I just want to
Well,
see what the phases are here. So launch, CoinGecko, coin market cap listings. This has all happened. Phase one's done, basically. Okay.
all
Phase
right.
two, community partnerships. My lady, okay, newsletter. I would argue that what's CS or CEX listing of
Central
10,000 plus
exchange
holders.
listings.
Okay, so that's happened somewhat if you base on the exchanges.
KuCoin.
Okay, so phase three, merchandise, academy, tools, exchange listings, 100,000 plus holders. I wonder if it actually shows how many holders we currently have.
Yeah, I wonder.
This is just, I guess what I'm trying to get at here is that when you read like, and this is, by the way, this is not to, was this Adam? Just came out, but has a big community. No, it's for real. Okay. Well, cool. Hey, listen, we're very open-minded, you know. I
So,
just, I mean, it's interesting. It's just the thing is I've seen so many different things happen where people invest in stuff like this. I'm not saying this is going to happen, okay? But I'm just saying, and then all of a sudden, next thing you know, like your money's gone.
uh, so here, I'm going to share my screen real quick.
Wait, hold on. Let's do your tokenomics real quick while you're doing that.
All right. What was that?
This is the tokenomics thing that you wanted to click on.
Oh, okay. Let me see that real quick.
So
Hold on.
94% of tokens were sent by liquidity pools. Tokens were burnt and then contracted is renounced. 1% of the supply of airdrops and all Pepe and Milady NFT holders. So this is, falling
Right.
into the NFT world quite a bit.
And
But that
Pepe.
makes sense because it's a meme coin.
Yeah.
So the remaining 5% of supply is being held in a multi-sig wallet only to be used as tokens for the future centralized exchanges, listings, bridges, and liquidity pools. The wallet is easily trackable with the ENS name. So here's the one question that I have. Where's the team and who are they? That's what I want to know. Because I'm not seeing anything about that. Do you see anything about that?
No, go back, click on home.
That's what I want to know. I want to know who's involved with this, who's the creators, who are the people that are going to be held responsible if all this money's gone. Because that's what freaks me out is when I see things like this where
Go
there's
back, go up, go down again. Go slow this time. Keep going. Keep going. Go, 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 go. Go ahead. Stop. Oh, never mind. All right.
yeah, you have create wallet, get some ETH,
All right.
Uniswap.
Yeah, I thought I saw something, but
There's so that's my only thing about this that I would
hmm.
say. And I'm sure it is for real, for the record, Adam. I mean, I'm not saying that it's not.
It's got to
I'm
be
just
for real because it's on crypto.com.
That's a good one, Brian. That's a good one.
I'm
Yeah.
not lying.
Oh my goodness. Yeah,
Look right there, number
that's
one,
like saying
crypto.com.
our president's a great guy because he's our
Right?
president.
Look at that. And it's got $103,000 24-hour volume. That's a hut. Look at that
Yeah,
right there.
there's a lot of
Uh,
projects that, you
it's
know,
going, a lot of it's
hey
on
Brian,
Uniswap.
Tom Brady, he really advertised FTX. It's got to be great. It's got to
It's
be
got to
awesome.
be. Matt Damon,
Anyways, listen,
he was crypto.com, right?
it's not part of the NFTs he said, by the way. So
Right. But you can see here that
I redact that from my statement.
they say that
But
they show you the trust score. So it's
yeah.
definitely a risky thing to get involved with.
But he said 17,000 plus holders.
Yep. Wow.
I don't know. It's really interesting, and I'm not trying to
So this
talk it
is
down. I'm just
this is
saying I've
one of
been
those micro caps, throw or dart, and you get involved in 10 of these similar type coins or 10 of these coins with a similar market cap.
yeah.
All it takes is one of them to do 100x, which is plenty of room in the total market cap for something like this to do that. 100x would put this at what? Well, 10x would put it at 450 million. So 100x would put it at 4.5 billion, which that's kind of like your next big meme coin. Because if you look at uh, Dogecoin, which is the original meme coin, right? Was it whatever happened to crypto kitties or whatever? But here's
I have no
Dogecoin,
idea.
right? The number
Yeah.
10, that's a meme coin, and that's at 11 billion. So if this is the next big meme coin, here's Shiba at 5 billion. That could be a 100x coin right now from where it is. I put it at 4.5 billion.
Yeah, I mean, what do you guys think about just meme coins in general? Because like those who are watching this chat right now, I'm just curious, like, do you guys think that we're still in the boom of meme coins right now? Because
Hmm.
it's an interesting thing. Like,
I
how long
think
will this go on? The
I
meme
think
coin.
we're
And maybe it'll always go on. Who
I think
knows?
it'll always go on. There'll always be someone creating some type of meme coin that whatever it does, it's going to give it some type of value to some people out there.
Yeah.
Um, who
I will say,
knows?
I mean, Adam, I appreciate you sharing that with us because that's what we want. We want to check out different things and what's going on. I just get so skeptical when I cannot figure out who's behind the projects. Ever since BitConnect freaked me right out. Which I never was involved in BitConnect in the first place.
I wasn't either. I came
For the,
close. I
right,
came.
but there were so many people that were so involved in that thing, and no one knew who they were, who the creators were. Some people knew some things, but not really. And then in addition to that, you had, you know, there's so many projects out there, man. It's ridiculous not knowing who the
It is.
creators are.
As you're
You know,
talking, I'm still
but
poking
tell
around
me if you
here.
know who the creators are, because I'm really curious about that. I just wish that they would post it on their website, unless I was looking at the wrong website. But
Yeah, I mean, no, this is the website because I mean, this is what Coin Gecko directed me to here. Yeah, there's nothing
like, give
about
me one reason why you want to be anonymous when it comes to making projects like this that are holding millions and millions of dollars of people's money. Like, I mean, I'm not saying that it's like illegal. Like, you're welcome to be anonymous if you want to be, but if you want to build trust in the community, put some kind of face behind it.
see if this comes up with anything.
I mean, granted, here I'm saying all this, and then we
All
got
it's saying
BitConnect.
is it's created by passionate supporters of the Milady Maker NFT collection. So it aims to be the drip currency of
So it is
Milady,
technically based off of that NFT then.
even though it's not officially connected to the NFT collection.
Yeah, but Adam's saying that it's not
Milady,
part of the NFT. So now I'm
right?
like
It's
confused.
not
Is it a
part of
part
the
of it
NFT.
or is it not? Or is
It's
it part of it?
not part of the NFT collection.
Okay,
It's
there you
not.
go.
It
It's
is
not.
not.
But
Adam's right. It's saying this was created by passionate supporters of the Milady
got it.
Maker NFT collection.
Okay, got it. We're on the same page now. That's
It isn't connected to Charlotte Fang or her creation, Milady. So it's
some
just
passionate
it,
supporters, but how many supporters and who are they?
it doesn't tell you. Here, everything you need to know.
Is it
Let's
everything? Thank goodness for
everything you
Google.
need to,
I can't wait. Wow.
right?
Google never fails us.
By Catherine Williams. Oh, here we go. What happened? Oh, I don't want to sign up for free.
Yeah, see, that's what I'm saying, these stupid
All right.
things.
Yeah. All right. So anyway, I'm good with my lady.
All right.
It's one of those ones, if anybody's getting involved with it, I wouldn't risk more than like 1% of your portfolio on it. So, but hey, 1% of, something can go a long ways if it 100X's. So anyway, that's my lady.
Yeah, that's interesting. Well, thank you for sharing that, man.
Yeah.
Very interesting.
Always like looking at new coins
Yeah.
and seeing the possibilities of what they can do and where they can go. So
So,
anyway,
all right. So this is because we only got a little bit more time here, probably. But as far as
as far as the crypto market in general, this is healthy. There's nothing to worry about. I wouldn't be selling anything right now.
no, it's not
Definitely
the
don't
time for
sell
that.
anything right now. This is not a time to sell in the red unless you're getting out and you're done and you're good and you can't handle this volatility and it's just, wrecking you. Some people can't handle it emotionally. It's not an easy thing to go through. I'm looking at my portfolio right now. I'm kind of a holder, I am a holder. So, but then I look at it and my portfolio is down, 15% in the last week. And I'm like, why didn't I just sell then and buy back in now? But there's
But but the reality is nobody knows really
a lot
why.
of people say that, but there's a lot. Once you sell your crypto, if you haven't had it for over a year, you're going to pay short-term capital gains, which is a hefty price on that. So you got to take that in consideration with your profits. So, you're going to minus that from your gross profits to get your net profits. So the net profits would be a little lower too.
Right.
So, but anyway,
But check this out really quick.
all right.
So this is Forbes, all right? And they're asking the question. So cryptocurrency saw a huge loss on Thursday with Bitcoin plummeting over 9% on the day. Many crypto traders are already calling the sudden drop a flash crash. The exact reasons behind the abrupt move lowers are somewhat unclear, and various theories are currently circulating regarding what drove the decline. So the whole point that I'm trying to get at here is nobody really knows. Okay. No one has a clue really why things like this happen. It's all theoretical. It really is.
It is.
And to me, the theory that has always stood strong, and I've said it so many times on this very podcast, is it's literally you buy the rumor and you sell the news. And then you have what's called a healthy correction, and then the thing goes back up again, because we're in a bull market, and it's as simple as that. That's
And
just the
if
way that I see it.
and if you're just building your holdings and filling your bags, well, this is the time to buy.
Right. Exactly.
And then just hold on for the ride up and then wait for the little dip down to buy some more.
And bada bing, bada boom, buy some TIA. Wait, what?
Buy some WCFG.
Buy some WCFG. Buy some Harmony One.
Buy
Buy some. Are we
some
just gonna list?
Maple.
We're just gonna list all the
Oh,
ones that we
Maple.
have.
Maple Finance is down 7% too.
It's up 7%.
Down.
Oh, down.
Yeah. Hmm.
Oh well, and here's another indicator, really quick. Why not? Why not
Have
share
at
it?
it.
Why not share it? Another indicator. 49. We're literally under halfway on the fear and
Oh,
greed index right now.
people are fear. Hey, what does Warren Buffett say? When people are fearful, that's when you got to be greedy. And when people are greedy, that's when you're fearful.
Exactly.
So, Warren Buffett, who's one of the best, greatest investors of all time, he'd be looking at this and going, people are getting fearful. I'm going to start looking for an entry price.
Yeah, look at this extreme greed. I mean, we were due for a healthy correction on the fear and greed index because we had
Oh my,
81.29 extreme greed. Then
so we're down,
that was
down.
back in December, early December.
Wow.
So to me, it makes sense that we're having a healthy correction. If you want to look at this from like a small scale, I mean,
Like a technical, yeah,
we
analysis.
probably won't go below 40,
40,
46.
yeah, I'd say we might hit 45,
We'll
46%.
probably hit 45.
Yeah, so we got another um my crystal ball. I'm looking at my crystal ball right now. I wish I had one.
Yeah.
I don't know. I
But
think, I think this week is just going to be a choppy week. We're just going to see a lot of, I think we're going to see some sideways action where we're at. And I think it's going to go down some more. And it's just, who knows? But I think in the next couple of weeks, we're going to see a nice rebound and the market's going to turn around and start going in the up direction,
yeah.
which is,
Adam, Adam says crypto goes down and up, not for the weak. I agree.
It is not for the
It's
weak,
not for
that's
the
for
weak at all.
sure.
It's not for those who are emotionally invested. Forget that.
No.
Adam is correct. Tis for the strong.
Yes. The weak. This
Or
is not for
it's
the
not even
weak.
really just necessarily for the strong or the weak. It's for the people that understand, have the
You,
wisdom of knowing what it's like to go through these market declines and inclines and when to sell, when to hold, when to buy. It's truly there's a reason why it's called the fear and greed index. It's because people struggle with greed and they struggle with fear. That's why it's called that. So if you can avoid those two things,
yeah, if you can take emotion out of it.
completely take emotion out of it, then you'd be strong like Adam.
Right. So, but if you zoom out a little bit, and I'm going to just one last thing I'm just going to show.
Yeah,
Um, so this is the total market, right? You can see the trend is still up. The trend is still going up with the monthly candle wicks. So as long as we get our next candle wick is a green, which is going to be,
right.
you know, the trend is still up. That's on the
Yep,
monthly.
yep, it is.
So this is just a
It's
healthy
a high,
correction,
it's a higher low.
a reset a little bit, and if you look here, I mean,
A
si-
classic higher low.
yeah, the trend is still going. It's still going up. So
Yep,
anyway, that's all I wanted to show.
yep. Love it. Well,
Love it. Yeah.
we got some more stuff coming out for you guys this week. If you put it in the comment section, what do you guys want us to check out and look up for you guys? Because we're definitely in buying positions right now, and we're very excited about it. I think I'm going to be buying some TIA myself. I'm kind of excited about that. And yeah, we want to hear what your guys' thoughts are. What are you guys investing in? What are you guys
Nice.
excited about? If you guys could do us a massive favor, like, subscribe, comment, hit the bell notification, that would mean the world to us.
So, and the
Um,
couple I'm looking to get into is IMX, and I might, depending, get some more Maple Finance.
yeah, yeah,
So,
that'd
anyway,
be interesting. And then Adam, last little final words. He said he's been in crypto for 8 years and has learned the hard way. Well, that just means that you've gained wisdom, Adam. And that is something that Brian and I both have had to go through
we've
ourselves.
learned the hard way ourselves. We've had
Multiple bear
our bumps.
markets. Yep. Multiple
So it
bears, multiple bulls.
sounds like Adam got in around the same time we were, 2016, 2017 time frame.
Yeah, very well could be. Yeah, maybe even earlier. I don't know. That's
Yeah.
but that's
Well,
good. But if you're still in it, man, then you're winning, as far as I'm concerned. That's the
that's
way I see
right.
it. So
So,
excited.
yep,
But
it's that time to stash Satoshis.
Satoshi.
Yes. All
Satoshi.
right.
All
Well,
right.
anyway, I'm glad we got together.
Yeah, likewise,
Let
man.
everybody know that crypto's not crashing. It's
Nope.
just going through a little dip.
You fell for the meme. I mean, you fell for the title. Not really.
Yeah.
All right, guys, have an awesome night, morning, afternoon, wherever you guys are. We'll talk to you
Yes.
guys soon.
Crypto Cody, have a great night. I'll talk